Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is on some new crochet hair that's available on Amazon. It's by MsFan Crochet Hair, and they sent me 4 packs, 2 of color number 4 and 2 of their natural black, and it is in their water wave. So I did do a versatile crochet style. It's going to be miracle knots in the front and miracle knots in the back, and just regular crochet throughout the middle. So I have 4 box braids in the back. I have 1 braid going across the nape of my neck, and then just straight back cornrows, as well as 1 row of box braids at the front. I use some edge control that is available on Amazon as well. I'll link it below. I just braided it about halfway and then started adding hair in. So yeah, just doing the miracle knot technique and also the feed-in technique. Braid it down and then add a rubber band at the end to just hold everything in place. Then I go back with a crochet hook, add a few more pieces into the length of the braid, and then add a piece right at the base of the braid. I do the same exact technique in the back, and this versatile style is going to allow you to pull the hair up into a ponytail, and it'll look very seamless, like you just have box braids everywhere instead of cornrows for your crochet. This is what it looks like when I finished all the miracle knot sections. The reason why I like to do it in the back as well is to give me a little bit more length. So instead of it just looking like 18 inches everywhere, that extra length in the back makes it look more like 20 or 22 inches in the back, so you can get more length out of just the 18-inch hair. Then I just installed the crochet the same way I normally would everywhere where the cornrows are, and just filled in the hair everywhere. And this was the exact amount of hair. I used all 4 bundles. I used the jet black in the back, and I used the color number 4 at the front. And this is what it looks like when the crochet is fully installed. I'm going to style it, trim it up, and put some makeup on so you can see the end result. So for trimming the hair, I really didn't do too much. I just did a little bit of cutting just to shape the hair. I didn't want to take any length off, just shape it and get the scraggly ends off. This hair is super soft, really pretty. It came really fast, available on Amazon. Highly recommend this hair. It's very full and you get a lot of hair per pack. It only took me 4 packs to get this style, and I love this color number 4 mixed in with the one with the natural black color. I think it looks really good for summer. It's just a really nice subtle chocolate brown that blends so well with the natural black. And I like this install. This install is very versatile and looks really, really good pulled up. But as you can see, it also looks really good down in a flip over to the left or the right. You can also wear it in the middle part, but I do think it looks best with, you know, the flip over or in the ponytail. But stay tuned. I'll put some photos and some styling options in at the end of this video. that's about it. Highly recommend this hair. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the end result, and I've gotten a lot of compliments on this hair. So if you want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. There'll also be a sticker where you can shop, and I'll also leave it in the comments in the pinned section. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on your notifications for more. Bye.